Good day everyone, I am Mark Anthony Sanario and I am with Carlos Stephen Laos and we are the developers of Graphical Printing Services website. So, what is Graphical Printing Services? Graphical Printing Services is a custom printing business that offers personalized products such as t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, mugs, and other promotional items. The project involves creating a modern and responsive website to showcase the brand services, portfolio, and order system. With a bold and creative visual style of a minimal approach, the site will provide a seamless experience for individuals and businesses looking to order high-quality printed merchandise. It will include essential sections such as home, about, services, gallery, order form, and testimonials. The aim is to promote Graphico's creativity and reliability, while enabling users to place orders conveniently through the platform. The primary objective of the Graphical Printing Service project is to develop a visually appealing, user-friendly, and mobile-responsive website that effectively promotes its custom printing services. And the website aims to: number 1. Establish brand presence. Graphico creates a strong digital identity for graphical printing service with a modern minimalist visual style. Number 2. Showcase services and portfolio. Display various custom printing options and examples of completed work to attract and inspire potential clients. Streamline order processing. Provide a seamless order experience with a built-in form and file upload. Enhance user engagement. Share testimonials, project stories, and visual content to build customer trust and interaction. Support accessibility across devices. Ensure the site is optimized for both desktop and mobile viewing for maximum user reach.
So, now let's move on sa target user ng website namin. So ang magiging target user ng website is customers from 12 to 60 years old, all genders, then located at urban and suburban areas like Metro Manila, Cebu, and Davao, etc. Then job is entrepreneurs, event organizers, students, business owners, and creative individuals. Then economic level is middle to upper middle class. Then background, individuals or business needing custom apparel and promotional items. So example is si Michael Angelo R. Salario, age 29. Occupation is teacher and small business owner. So lifestyle niya. Michael runs a small clothing brand and needs a reliable printing service to produce high quality custom t-shirts. He is looking for an efficient and affordable printing provider that allows him to order in bulk without compromising on quality. So, ayun, para sa target user naman. Next naman is yung project content and features. So, let's explore yung website namin. So, ito yung homepage namin. So, ito yung homepage namin. So, meron kaming search bar dito. Then, sa nav, yung mga categories. Ito yung mga pages namin. So, ito nasa current natin is nasa home tayo. So, categories. So, pag clinic nyo yung drop down na yan, lalabas yung most common na ino-order ng mga customer, like t-shirts, sublimations, personal mugs, lanyards. Ayan. Pag clinic natin yung isa dyan, pupunta tayo sa gallery page. So, ayan. Tapos dedirekta tayo dun sa sa product na clinic natin, yung mga past products na ginagawa na ng shop. Then, mamaya na tayo dyan. Balik muna tayo sa home page. So, ayan. So, ito yung best for categories. Ayan, t-shirts, mugs, cups, lanyards. So, pag clinic natin itong isang feature dito, so, lalaki siya. So, mas makakapag-focus yung customer o yung user dun sa clinic nilang photo or image. Ayan. So, pag clinic natin yung view categories, punta tayo dun sa gallery. So, tignan natin pindutin yan. Maya na lang. So, ayan yung bungad namin para do sa testimonials, yung mga past customers ng shop. So, ayan. Punta tayo sa testimonials pag clinic natin yan. So, ito yung demo reel ng website. So, naka-embed siya sa YouTube para hindi maging mabigat yung magiging website namin or hindi matagal mag-load. Ayan. Natin panoorin. So, ayan, may quick links tayo dito. Then ito yung mga socials namin nung website pala. So, ayan. Contact us. Ayan. Pag clinic natin yung contact us, punta tayo dun sa location ng website. So, meron kami ditong naka-embed na map para malocate agad ni user kung saan yung shop, yung actual shop or yung physical shop. So, nasa about page naman na tayo. Explain na natin. So, ito yung main nung about page namin. So, dito nilagyan namin ng logo, then ito yung descriptions or descriptions niya. So ito yung tagline pa lang. Yung website, think, design, and print. Then yung our mission and vision. Then why choose graphical prints? So, yan, review gallery. So, ayan. Dito sa direct message us. So, pwede mag-send ng message si customer or yung user. Tapos, after niyang masend yan, magda-direct siya dun sa database ng website. So, ayan. Please fill out the fields. Ayan. So, let's move on sa services. So, dito sa services namin, dito natin makikita yung mga kayang gawin or mga ginagawa ng shop. So, ayan. Business printing, large format printing, custom apparel and textile printing, and many more. Yan. So, kung makikita nyo dito, ito yung process ng paggawa. Yan yung machine nila pagpaprint. So, then, let's move on sa gallery. So, dito, makikita natin yung mga past products or mga finished products ng website. So, ayan. Militaries, Hero Clock, by interest. So, pag clinic niyan, mag-zoom out siya. Then, so, bawat card dito is may send design na button para mas ma-convince namin si user na mag-send ng design nila or mag-order or tangkalikin na yung shop. So, ayan, bawat pages, bawat categories, hiwa-hiwalay sila, like shirts, sublimations, ayan, and sportswear, tapos mugs, and lanyards, and others like A4 Sintra board, button pins, calendars, cups, caricature, Sintra standee, engraved mirrors, engraved wooden kitchen, and many more. So, ito yung captured moments. Parang sa testimonials din siya, pero parang bungad lang ng testimonials. So, let's move on sa testimonials ng website. So, ito yung main ano niya, main section. So, yung mga feedback. Yan. Yan. So, yan yung mga nag-order dun sa shop. So, sila pala. Yan. So, next naman is yung order now. So, sabi dun sa ano namin, sa project objective, is to inform. So, feel ko naman na-inform namin yung mga customer namin about dun sa sa shop. Then, and services gallery. So, na-inform naman namin sila about dun sa description ng shop or kung ano ba yung graphic ko. Then, next is to persuade. So, showcase the quality of our prints, creative design, and successful past project. So, kung makita naman natin, nasa gallery page siya. So, feel ko naman na pakita namin yun. Or na-achieve naman namin objective na yun. So, yan, nakikita namin yung mga past products, mga design. Then, next is to sell. So, eto nga, dito sa order now, makita nyo naman na ang purpose ng page na to is mag-sell or kay user na mag-send ng design nila. So, ayun, na-achieve naman namin yun sa tingin ko. And engage, build the community by sharing customer testimonials, feature designs, and collaborations. So ito na yun, testimonials. So, ayan, naipakita naman namin yung objective na yun. So, next is yung conclusion namin dito is, so, conclusion ko dito in summary, Graphical Prints is more than just a printing website. It's a digital solution that bridges creativity and convenience for our customers. With a focus on the user experience, product clarity, and local service, this project empowers individuals and businesses to express their ideas through personalized printed items. We are proud to present a platform that supports local creativity while also growing our business online. So, ayun lamang po sa presentation nung website namin.